Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you a classic recipe for chocolate walnut ball cookies. These cookies are easy to make, delicious and melting in your mouth with every bite. Let's get started. First, in a bowl mix together the dry ingredients. 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half cup of ground walnuts, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next, add cold unsalted butter and mix everything until well combined. Rub the dough in plastic wrap and let it chill in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Once the dough is chilled, form it into small balls. Then place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 7 to 8 minutes. After baking, let the cookies cool completely. And that's it. These cookies are lightly crispy on the outside and soft and chewy on the inside and full of chocolate and walnut flavor. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.